So today we're going to be talking about endocrinopathies, and in order to understand endocrinopathies, you first have to understand the physiology behind it. So we're going to start off by talking about the adrenal gland. The adrenal gland is made up of a medulla in the center, and it's surrounded by a cortex. The cortex is divided into three zones. You have the zona reticularis, which is the innermost layer, the zona fasciculata, the middle layer, and your zona glomerulosa, which is your outermost layer. The zona reticularis produces your androgens, your zona fasciculata produces your glucocorticoids like cortisol, for example, and your zona glomerulosa produces all your mineralocorticoids like aldosterone. So this is significant when you have endocrinopathies like Addison's disease. For atypical Addison's disease, it can be caused by a pituitary lesion in the brain, or it can be caused by immune-mediated destruction of the inner two layers of your adrenal cortex. In this case, it would mean that you have a lack of cortisol only because you have destruction of your middle layer of the cortex, whereas your outermost layer, zona glomerulosa, is spared by the immune-mediated destruction, so you'll have normal levels of aldosterone.